Hi guys, this is Maria Fernanda Aristizabal, Miss Colombia 2022. While Harnaaz is traveling and filling in, today I wanted to show you how I did this glam makeup with red lips, so enjoy it with me. And let's start. So let's prepare our skin with my favorite products. I need a Estee Lauder Eye Contour. I love this part, it's very relaxing. I feel it refresh my eyes and hydrate so much. And then the moisturizer, I activate the product with my hands. It smells so good. And finally, with sunscreen, it's very important. Every time, every day, you have to use sunscreen. And I apply it this way. Don't forget the ears. Our skincare is done. After that, let's use a primer. It's very important for our skin because it hydrates and illuminates our makeup. This is very important because it helps to fix and stick our foundation. It's a very hard word for me in English, guys. So it's base in Spanish. It's very short, and English is foundation. Can you see the highlight? The next step is my foundation of Lancome. I love it because I love the smell and the texture. It's so soft with my skin. The next step is my concealer. It's very important because this part is like, I don't know, another color. I feel like a little ghost with my ojeras. The beauty blender and do it so soft because this part of your skin is sensitive. Can you see the difference at the beginning of now? I use this powder because it's very important and it sets my makeup in place. The skin looks so soft. Okay, the next step is my contour and blush. I love this part because I give a little bit of color to my skin, and I'll try to smile because it's better to apply this. It's like a fake smile, yes, but it's the better way. I learned to do my makeup through internet videos, YouTube videos. I love to learn every day some things and I love to do my makeup every day. It's like an art, and I want to share with others and through my social media how do different things. I use eyeshadow, these eyeshadows made and like a bright shadows, and I love it. I love brown colors because for my color of type of skin, it's perfect and works perfect in this way. This name is New York. Oh my God, I love this city. We can use a little bit darker, yeah. I love it because the color are so strong. You can put it in the final of your eye. You can see it's dark and this is so soft. It's more natural, and this makeup can be for the night or I don't know, for different events. I always do this face because I think it's better to apply my eyeshadows. And I apply Manila, but with different brush. Sorry, it's like a tongue. In Colombia, we say like lengua de gato because it's like a. You can see how my eye is like more open. Now, my secret tip are my tapes for the eyeliner. It's my favorite part. Then I use my eyeliner for Sephora. Many influencers that I follow use this beauty trick, and it's so cute and so useful. Look, the line, it's perfect, so I love it. You know, the beauty trick is perfect and you can use it every day. Next part, I love it because it's the expression of my eyes with my eyelashes. I love this tool because it's perfect to put my eyelashes in the perfect way. It's important to let it dry a little bit because the adhesive appears in your eye sometimes when it's wet a little bit. So I think it's important to wait. Ta-da! Look the difference between my eyes. This is with the eyelash and this is without the eyelash. Now I want to use the nude liner. It's good for brightening my eye. That's it. But the difference, it's like my eyes is bigger. Then the mascara is so important to define my look. The next step is the lips. Are very important, and I wanted to show you two options. One more natural with a nude lipstick and one with a red lipstick for a strong event, photo shoot. This is the nude one. I love this color. And then I try to put it more stronger with this lipstick. Now I'm trying to lip liner. You can give more volume to your lips, so it's very important, this part for me, to define my lips and my makeup. Okay guys, this is option 1. It's more natural and it looks like a day makeup. Now I show you option 2. I love the tone. And then I want to finish with a little bit of liner, like more more perfect lips. The option 2, and I love it. It's more bold, strong, glamorous. My favorite is the first one because I feel like more natural and more fresh, classy. But I love red one for the night or for different events. So guys, please comment below which is your favorite, the first one or the second one. Thank you for having me and I'll see you soon. Y a todos los colombianos e hispanos que me están viendo, un beso y un abrazo y gracias por estarme acompañando en este momento tan especial. Los veo pronto. Saludos desde Colombia.